and welcome. How is your crave this time? How are you going about your quarantine? How are you surviving in your quarantine? This is Alexander, and today we're going to look at our next fast food and a delivery service online that make life absolutely better for you. Today I'm going to order at KFC, one of my favorite menu of the KFC list from 7KRAVE. Crave. All you need to do, go in your App Store or your Play Store and download 7KRAVE. Here's the app. I've downloaded it. Click on it and open it. Wow, there's so much restaurants here. So now I'm going to order. Click on the KFC app. Big deal, meal deal, zinger, barbecue zinger, family 9-piece, 10-piece, hot wings, corn. Alright. So I will be ordering a big deal. Click on a big deal and click on my cart, and here is the specific: original, hot and spicy, barbecued. Originally I would take one of each, but the app doesn't give me that option. So I'll take hot and spicy, and I'll take rib, breast and leg, and I'll take my favorite drink, which is ginger beer. Once I'm done, I click on my shopping cart here. So I click on the shopping cart up here, and it asks me which currency I would pay in, if it's in US. So if it's in US, it's $6.79, $6.79, sorry. This is in Jamaica, it is $815. So all I need to do now is swipe So here my order went up to $1,365 because of service charge, $550 for service charge. Here say thank you for your order. So book my order, history, set sent, estimated time. So they have this little tracker, so you can see from sent, confirm, pick up. So now all I have to do is wait for 30 minutes to 45 minutes for the food. This is a great chance to remind you to subscribe to the channel if you have not already. A real large portion of our viewers have not subscribed to the channel. So take a quick second to click that subscribe button so you won't miss any of the upcoming videos. You definitely don't want to miss any of them. Let's get back. It is rather marvelous to see a car pulled up with your delivery. Instead of a bike, could have been the norm, because it used to see bike delivery as a bike go faster through traffic. But I have guessed because of 7K, the vast majority of people that is ordering, it is limited to bike operators. So instead, people use cards. And after such a brief encounter with outside, it's best for you to wash your hand with protective soap from germs. Right here, I have my Protex. Make sure you wash your hand for a full 20 seconds in all direction. Make sure you get the bacteria off, away from COVID-19. Once your hands are clean. So I was going to sanitize if it was a plastic bag, but bear in mind this is a paper, so I can't sanitize the paper. I don't think germs is going to stick on paper. But anyway, I will wash off the soda. I won't soap it up, but I will just wash it off with normal. Remember, we are fighting bacteria from COVID-19, so it's best to keep safe and clean. So this right here, 7KRAVE, delivered directly to me. Well, I must say, now that it's here, let's partake. And first of all, I get the round drinks. I did not add a thing. Yeah, shit happens sometime. The cork fell on the ground. I'm just gonna make it stay right here. So, the box is sealed. That is good to know. So nobody heat up my food before it reaches here. It's good. So, here's famous KFC. Big deal. This is what the box looks like. And 2 pack of sachet ketchup. And a fork. Alright. So, get a nice little pouch fries. And I must say, they're rather cold. Since it's been taken so long to reach here, I wouldn't expect anything better. And 3 of my chicken. So this is the leg. This is the breast. Leg. And I think this is the ribs. So okay, let's talk about 7KRAVE. 7K is the local app in Jamaica. Just download the app on your phone. Look for the specific restaurant that you want. They have more than one restaurant. So look for the specific restaurant that you want. Order your food. Go to the process. Your address, credit card, online wallet, or cash. And maybe they come to you in a reasonable time. This is a juicy breast. Let's try to see how yummy this be. Once again, I want to say thanks to the delivery guys. Thanks to 7KRAVE for giving up such a wonderful app. Remember guys, download the app if you're in my area. Easy to use, very convenient. Thanks 7KRAVE, and thanks for you for sticking around in my video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Oh, you're still here? Your show is done. You can go now.